destroyed the science behind the fixing of the jackpot, because the jackpot siguro kay other jurisdictions, jackpot, initial jackpot is dependent on the possible number of combinations. Ganun yun eh. Tapos inaugment natin ng 100 million, 100 million, 500 million, 500 million, 500 million. Okay? And then in 1 month's time, tapos ang kwento, ubos, tinamaan. I'm actually looking at past history, Mr. Chairman, na kung umabot ng 500 million yung isang game, that means, ang theory kasi, pag 500 million na-attract na yung mga bettors eh.
Yes.
So that's a theory. We were looking at a past experience na 500 million yung game, at gano'ng katagal bago tinamaan. And we will have to compare this with this augmentation noong last December, na in less than 1 month, 5 laro ang tinamaan.
Sabay-sabay.
Yes, in less than a month.
That's questionable. Kaya, para...
Yung ating, I'll be very short lang, ito pong aking resolution.
Yes, sir.
Now, I filed this October 2022 pa. Medyo na sa dami ng concerns kasi natin, na limutan natin. Proposed Senate Resolution 253. Ito po yung... But it's really a relevant resolution because it's about the integrity and trustworthiness of your lotto games. Eh. Pero ang example lang kasi nito, ang naging trigger nito was the 433 winners ng October 2, 2022 ng 655 na multiples of 9 yung lumabas. So, if I can get, siguro not now, kasi alam ko may mga lakad pa si Chairman tsaka siguro si GM, your position paper on this, the explanation on how come there were 433 winners. Kung ang explanation ninyo ay, ito, anticipate ko na rin yung sagot nyo, kung ang explanation ninyo ay inalagaan ito, may system ba kayo to check na dun sa multiples of 9 na betting system ay inalagaan din even before this draw? I mean, that should be facts. And then if you have those system to check it, can you prove it? Ipakita nyo na lang na on this particular bets, ito yung mga multiples of 9.
Mr. Chair, if I may add, we did that immediately kasi
Sige.
ang winning record namin was 10. So immediately, we tracked kung ilan yun over 3-month period, I think. At meron po talaga, malaki po talaga.
So your system is capable of knowing on a per draw basis the combinations na merong bet.
Yeah.
So and then you can also on demand place a combination and then find out ilan ang nagbet sa combination na yon on a per draw basis.
Historical po yun. Okay. Historical.
So if that is the explanation nga na may nag-aalaga ng multiples of 9
may one pa po. Yung multiples sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yun po ang pinakamalaki.
So just show us, hindi na natin papasukan yung data nyo, but yung reports generated ninyo, even before October 2, 2022, dapat yun ang katotohanan, hindi ba? Kasi alaga, supposed to be alaga eh. So, and then, if I can know with particularity, on October 2, 2022, on that 655 game, how many distinct combinations had bets? Distinct yun. Ibig sabihin ng distinct kasi ilan ba itong 655? Ilan ba ito? There would be 28.9 million combinations yan eh. So, pwede kasing lima tayo, pero we place the same bet sa isang combination. I want to know sa 28.9 possible combinations, ilan yung natayaan on that particular draw. Okay? At October 2, 2022. Ngayon, ang tanong, because it's so itong aking resolution ay applicable din dun sa nangyari na tinamaan lahat ng augmented jackpots natin over, Mr. Chairman, over 1 month. These were 5 games. We augmented the jackpots. 100 million, 100 million, 500 million, 500 million, 500 million. Ang augmentation, in addition to the level of the jackpot yon. And in less than a month from its augmentation of each game, tinamaan. Okay. So if we can get also the number of distinct combinations na may bets doon sa 5 games na yon, magmula noong, ibig siguro a few draws before the augmentation, and then tuloy-tuloy up to the time na tinamaan siya. Para makita po natin. Kasi sa akin, madali kong maisip yun na isang game, inaugment mo yung jackpot, nagtayaan ngayon ng bulto na marami ron. So, maybe yung 28.9 million possible combinations, natayaan ng 25 million combinations doon. Di laki ng chance nga tatamaan. Ba't ang ginawa po natin? 5 games eh. Tinamaan lahat eh. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng betting public eh, dinagsa lahat yung 5 games na yon to almost cover the possible combination. So if we can have this data, GM, kaya ba? Kaya naman. So parang hindi na natin pahabain itong hearing this afternoon kasi dadaanan din namin yun, i-analyze namin yun para makita po natin doon. And then, ang isang question siguro, when you augmented the jackpots, nalugi ba kayo? So just give us also the financial report. Pero itong short answer ni GM.
It was very good, Your Honor. We made 800 million in a month's time. If we at just
Sa one
bumalik pa
game.
po.
Dapat to.
Hindi po yung totality po.
No, but if it's 800 million, augmentation nyo is 1.7 billion.
Pati po yun, covered po yun. Bumalik na po yun. So that was the net po.
Over and above. Okay,
Opo,
bigyan nyo na lang kami na report,
Opo,
na
yeah.
financial report naman
Sige
na
po.
ano, if you also were able to talagang generate sufficient interest and then hindi kayo nalugi dun sa ano. But it doesn't matter. Kung nalugi man kayo hindi, I mean, hindi issue yun kasi sabi mo nga is to generate interest. Pero tandaan nyo yung Section 10 ha, as provided by Judge ha. Judge, ito na lang Mr. Chairman, give me just a few. Section 10, Judge, ikaw nag-bring up sa amin ito, Section 10 RA 1169 eh. Ano yung basa ninyo dito na with the approval of the President of the Philippines, dito lang ba ito sa shall promulgate rules and regulations for the holding of lotteries? Or applicable din ito dun sa after the semicolon, shall fix the number and the price of the tickets for the same, and number of tickets usually given gratis to the ticket vendors, semicolon, fix the number and amount of prices, semicolon, fix the date when the sale of tickets shall close, semicolon, and designate the dates and place or places where such lotteries shall be held.
Your Honor, it pertains to the entirety of how PCSO shall conduct
The entire
lotteries.
paragraph.
Yes, Your
Tama.
Honor.
All of those enumeration ng mga shall be deemed preceded by the phrase with the approval of the President of the Philippines.
Correct, Your
Correct.
Honor.
So that includes fix the number and amount of prices.
Correct, Your
Correct?
Honor.
Augmentation, actually, the augmentation to the tune of 1.7 billion pesos actually ano tawag mo doon, modified, change the jackpot price, destroyed the science behind the fixing of the jackpot because the jackpot siguro kay other jurisdictions, jackpot, initial jackpot is dependent on the possible number of combinations. Ganun yun eh. Tapos inaugment natin ng 100 million, 100 million, 500 million, 500 million, 500 million. Okay? And then in 1 month's time, tapos ang kwento, ubos, tinamaan. I'm actually looking at past history, Mr. Chairman, na kung umabot ng 500 million yung isang game, that means, ang theory kasi, pag 500 million na-attract na yung mga bettors eh.
Yes.
So that's a theory. We were looking at a past experience na 500 million yung game at gano'ng katagal bago tinamaan. And we will have to compare this with this augmentation nung last December na in less than 1 month, 5 laro ang tinamaan.
Sabay-sabay.
Yes, in less than a month.
That's questionable. Kaya nga,
So
sa
yes,
sunod
we
natin
will have
hearing,
to look
find
at this, Mr. Chairman, and maybe if Ms. Xavier can help us with the alam niyo yung data ng mga draws di ba? Na may game na umabot na ng 500 million yung ano niya, jackpot niya without augmentation, ito yung natural accumulation of the jackpot from the bets. Then ang theory, naka-attract na yan ng bettors, bet na yan. And then tignan natin, months muna bago tamaan eh. So, itong nangyari last December is really an anomaly. Hindi lang 1 game, 5 games, Mr. Chairman.
sabay-sabay nung nag-augment.
Yeah.
That's why yung sinasabi kanina sa BIR, ibabangkay natin kung baka mamaya kung nag-file man pare-parehong tao lang palang nanalo. dapat nandun yung pangalan nung veteran na nanalo, nagbayad siya ng 20% tax, sino siya at saan siya. Nagasaan, di ba? Sa BIR nandun yan? Mr. Tibayan? Attorney
Mr.
Tibayan?
Chair, ang nag-remit po kasi sa amin ng withholding is yung si PCSO. So,
Correct. Pero those information that did mention to you, nandun dapat yun. How much was won? And then, anong date? Anong draw? Magkano? And then the name of that person and address.
And the TIN.
And the TIN number.
The TIN number of that person.
Tama. Kasi hindi naman siya makapag-file kung walang TIN number. At kung wala siyang TIN number, meron, bibigyan ng opportunity yung walang TIN na magkaroon siya ng TIN.
check namin po, Mr. Chair, kung ano yung available na information. Kasi
Hindi, pero
ang nag-file.
am I making sense to you?
Yes po,
Di ba
Mr.
pag
Chair,
nag-file ka, dapat may TIN.
Yes po, po.
Hindi ka naman pwede makapag-file ng walang TIN, di ba? Then since kung halimbawa isang tao, nanalo siya, wala siyang TIN, kailan niya mag-file ng tax, gagawin niya ng paraan na para matanggap yung kanyang ipafile na tax,
Mag-register.
mabibigyan siya ng TIN.
Yes po.
Tama? Kaya nga, I need this information.
PCSO is here. The entire team of the PCSO is here. How do you do it when you remit the tax from the winner? Are you the taxpayer sa BIR or is it the winner who is the taxpayer? Yes, Panyero.
Mr. Chair. The PCSO is the withholding tax agent.
Oh, correct. Okay.
The taxpayer is the winner.
Yeah. So when you report to the BIR, may TIN number doon, may pangalan ng taxpayer kasi credited sa kanya yun.
Yes.
Top taxpayer siya ng Pilipinas eh.
We do submit the ALPA list, the so-called ALPA list, Mr. Chair, indicating the names of the winners.
Yes, so
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
Pakita dapat natin
Mr.
sa BIR. Yes.
Senator Coco, pagbabanggay natin. So sa susunod na hearing, I need those documents at pumayag naman sinecond motion ninyo, yung PCSO na i-provide yun, sabihin na namin yung document na yun.
Yes po. Hingi rin po kami sana ng yung alpha list para
Alpha list.
earlier ma-prepare po
Okay, Comsec, kasama dun sa i-request sa PCSO yung alpha list at pumapayag naman si Mr. Robles. Okay na?
Mr. Chair, point of clarification. Are these for the winners for the recent?
Kasi yung reason, hindi pa nakapag-file yan eh.
Opo,
So,
yung-
let's go back so yung mga ina-file na. How long would it take up from the time na pinala na process nyo na?
As long as nag-file na po sila, makikita naman po sa system.
Agad-agad?
Opo.
So, agad-agad, di ba, pinafile nyo pag minanalo? Pag kiname na?
Yeah,
Agad-agad?
monthly, Mr. Chair.
Monthly.
For the last month, we have yet to file the same.
Okay. So, November, meron na yun? Na-file
Meron
na?
po, meron.
Okay, November. Bigyan nyo sa kanila. I need 2 months. 3 months. September, October, November. Ibigay
Yes,
niyo po
Mr. Chair, we'll do it.
Okay. Now, bago tayo magtapos, Mr. Chair, Senator Coco, itong hinaing ng ilan sa ating mga outlet operators